Okay, Brian, so this is St. Patrick's Day 2017 lesson information. For next quarter, first lesson, all right, we'll dig into some more drum set stuff. We're going to put snare drum stuff on the back burner, although I'm going to give you an A2 to start working on for the next level. We won't necessarily get to it right away the first lesson, but something to give you something to do over break along with some drum set. So you're continuing along on the drum set stuff, although we focused on the samba work, the eighth note accent exercises, to exercises, what was it, 13 through 21A, trying to push up to 180 to the quarter. I think that's right, yeah. And then you could also start looking at the triplet accents in the book, the next section. I'm just doing them on pad. They're a lot trickier, so they'll take some time to get up to speed, but they'd be good ones to start with over the break. It'll give you something to get started on, because I think this eighth note stuff you'll be in command of pretty fast. Then you've got several strands of things you're working on with dependent and independent ride and independence through the exercises 3, 4, and then 5, and you're not doing the accented 5 on the swing timekeeping, but just the unaccented stuff, and not necessarily at any speed. Just work through what's written and then try to do the transpositions of moving stuff over by eighth notes. I think we talked about that once before. So, and then on keyboards, doubles 2, and then we need to do as much reading as we can do. And I've got some supplementary books. They're the Alphonse horn books. They're in the Blackboard site. There's book 1, 2, and 3, I think, out there, and you could get book 1. And we probably ought to do a etude or 2 out of book 1 every week, just to make sure you're regularly reading on keyboards. So why don't you get that Alphonse book, get that first one prepared. So specifically for the lesson, let's look at the eighth note accents, and if you've had some time, we'll look at the triplet accents. Let's look at the doubles, second movement, kind of get that going. Although if you're going to be in percussion ensemble, most of the rehearsal work and a lot of the work we'll do will be in there. And then let's also have you do an etude out of the Alphonse book 1 on keyboards. And then we'll start, as the quarter goes along, we'll get into some form balance, we'll get into some timpani, and see if we can't get those 200 level requirements met by the winter of the following year, or if not, certainly by spring. Okay?